Cats are full of surprises, and some of their quirks can seem like something straight out of a science fiction movie. In today's video, we're diving into 13 shocking cat facts that will blow your mind and make you appreciate your furry friend even more. Number 13, cats have unique nose prints. Just like humans have fingerprints, cats have their own version, nose prints. The pattern of ridges and bumps on a cat's nose is completely unique to them. In fact, it's so distinct that, in theory, it could be used to identify individual cats, just like fingerprints can identify people. Number 12, cats have a secret organ called the Jacobson's organ. Deep inside a cat's mouth, there's a little-known but super important organ called the Jacobson's organ. It's located on the roof of their mouth, right behind their front teeth. This organ helps cats detect pheromones, chemical signals animals use to communicate. So, when your cat opens its mouth slightly and seems to taste the air, it's actually collecting information about its surroundings. They can even tell where you've been, who you've been around, and what you had for lunch. Number 11, cats sweat through their paws. Unlike humans, cats don't sweat all over their bodies. Instead, their sweat glands are mostly located on the pads of their paws. This helps keep their coats dry, which is important for predators who need to stay stealthy. If it's a hot day or your cat is stressed, you might spot damp paw prints on the floor. That's their version of sweating. Number 10, ancient Egyptians worshipped cats. Our love for cats isn't new, it goes way back to ancient Egypt. Back then, cats were considered sacred. Hurting a cat was a serious offense, sometimes even punishable by death. Egyptians believed cats had protective powers and were often associated with goddesses. No wonder they were treated like royalty. Number 9, cats can't taste sweet things. Ever wonder why your cat doesn't care about your dessert? It's because cats literally can't taste sweetness. Their taste buds don't have the receptors to detect sugary flavors. As obligate carnivores, their bodies are built for meat, not sweets, so don't be offended if they ignore your cupcakes. Number 8, cats can drink seawater. Cats have super efficient kidneys that can filter out salt, meaning they can safely drink seawater if they have to. While this is an amazing survival trait, it's not a reason to offer salt water at home. Fresh water is still best for your kitty's health. Number 7, paw preference depends on gender. Just like humans can be right-handed or left-handed, cats often have a preferred paw. What's fascinating is that this preference often links to their gender. Female cats tend to be right-pawed, while male cats often favor their left. Want to test your cat? Try giving them a toy or treat and see which paw they use more often. Number 6, cats have a built-in GPS. Cats are famous for their homing instinct, their ability to find their way home over long distances. There are amazing stories of cats returning home after weeks or even months of being lost, sometimes traveling hundreds of miles. Scientists believe cats might use a mix of scent, the Earth's magnetic field, landmarks, and sunlight to navigate. Number 5, cats almost always land on their feet. If you've ever seen a cat fall, you probably noticed that they nearly always manage to land on their feet. This is thanks to their riding reflex, a special ability that allows them to twist mid-air and reorient themselves. Their flexible spines and lack of collarbones help them pull off this impressive trick. But don't be fooled, while this helps them avoid injury, it doesn't mean they're invincible. Falls from great heights can still cause serious harm. Number 4, whisker fatigue is real. A cat's whiskers are super sensitive. They can pick up even the slightest movement in the air, helping cats detect objects, walls, and more. But because whiskers are packed with nerves, too much stimulation can overwhelm them. This is called whisker fatigue. If your cat seems hesitant to eat from a deep bowl, this might be why. Try switching to wide, shallow dishes to keep their whiskers from brushing the sides and causing discomfort. Number 3, cats have a hidden third eyelid. Cats have a third eyelid called the nictitating membrane. You might spot it sometimes when they blink or sleep. It moves across their eye sideways, from the corner near their nose to the outer edge. This special eyelid helps keep their eyes moist and protected from dust, dirt, or debris, especially handy during play or hunting. Number 2, their tongues are covered in tiny spikes. If your cat has ever licked you, you probably noticed their tongue feels like sandpaper. That rough texture comes from tiny, backward-facing spines called papillae, made from keratin, the same stuff as human nails. These spines help cats groom their fur by detangling it and removing dirt and loose hairs. Number 1, do cats have a sixth sense? Many cat owners believe their pets can sense things that humans can't. Cats have been known to act strangely before earthquakes or behave oddly in seemingly empty rooms. While it might seem supernatural, there's science behind it. Cats can hear ultrasonic frequencies far beyond human hearing, and their supersensitive whiskers can detect even minor vibrations or shifts in air pressure. So, while we can't say for sure they have a sixth sense, it's clear their regular senses are incredibly advanced. So, does a cat's gender really affect their personality or behavior? While one isn't better than the other, there are some cool differences that might make one a better match for your lifestyle. Curious? Check out our next video where we break down the key traits of male versus female cats, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our awesome community of cat lovers.